Hello. Well, just a quick unboxing, enveloping of my um, first subscription of the Coffee Monsters Co. My first subscription ever um, of the. This is the mail, the larger one, the every 3 months. It's really cool that they do this so you can really use it, get like really good use out of it. So you're not, sorry about my nails. So you're not, it takes a long time for it to ship out, but you'll get a long time to use it. So yeah, I'm excited, and here we go. I've ordered from them before, but never a subscription. And she posted some sneak peeks of the stuff that she was going to do. The things that already shipped for the subscribers for October, November, and I was like, oh, I want all of that in one go. So I signed up for December one. I'm very excited. 1 second. Oh, my throat got so dry over there. Okay. So here we go. All right. Got a couple of washies, which is great. Washies are so difficult to get through that I'm glad not to get too many. I'm okay with whatever she sends. 2 is just fine. All right, check this out. What is this? Oh my god. Ellen, what? This is the best little envelope. No, I want to use it so bad. I want to use this so bad. Give me more of this. What? What? Oh, this is so adorable. Thank you so much. Whoa. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Dude, I write to people. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. Stop it. Okay, guys. What? Oh my god. How adorable. No, 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 no. Que lindo. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. I use this stuff, guys. I hear people complaining about like, oh, I don't get to use this, I don't get to use that. I don't know what you're up to, but use it. Just stop being precious about it. Just use it. There's more to come. It's tough because I own a lot of, I think, not actually compared to a lot of people, I don't own a lot of stationery, but I have plenty, let's say, and I use it. I write to people, I make ugly drawings, and I will use this. I will cut it. I will, use it for like greetings. This is like all the different moods and stuff that you could have. I will, this is like, you can separate it. It's a cute postcard, all kinds of things. This really was what sold me on this, was this little bookmark. I am a sucker for bookmarks. It's really good material, guys. Really good. This is going to last a while. It's paper, but it's very durable. It's so beautiful. It's raining out in Elias, and here in the sunny is, oh, reading all day. Oh, the tissue, so cute. Really well done. Really, really well done. Okay. And this that I've been wanting for a long time. Look at this. The stationery lady here. The vinyl. This is very cool vinyl. It feels like really soft. Oh my god. It's all very cool. The material is great. And oh, the new stuff. The new the washi stickers. Okay, she's already sending me some stuff for spring. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this is great because I'm going to start using my Polaroids. Now this is for the rainy. Okay, so this was supposed to be November, sunny noodles. This is November Rainy Noodles. Rainy Doodles. Oh my God, what did I say? Noodles. Oh my God. Yes. These are great. I'm glad that I have this now. Ooh, okay. Weather stuff, sunny days, rainy days. This is, the thing is here for me, this is like, I know it says November, but this is like summer for me because I live by the beach. So we get this kind of stuff. In like one day, I could use all of this. Yep. So this same weather icons. Very cool. All right. So all of this goes back into here. I don't want to not use it. So 1 second. Okay, and now there's more. There's so much more. There is so much more. Oh my God. Okay, very cool stuff that I really wanted. Let's start with, oh, another vinyl. Oh, this is like a Smarty Pants one. What? Look at this guy. Oh, he's so smart. I love it. He's very highbrow. He's reading highbrow stuff. Yes. These are so cute. You gotta watch her video about this stuff. If you haven't, you probably did. Get it? And this is the October Doodles. I only got the one. Oh my God, are you kidding me? This is so freaking cute. The size, they're smaller, but I think it's better. I think this is so much more economical. You can use the whole thing. That's the cool part. You can take this out, use this as well. Meaning like with your scissors, right? And then also use it, paint something on it, whatever. These are great. Oh, is this a VHS tape? What? This is very analog. I love. Oh my God, look at this. Do you guys see this? This is it a floppy disk? Oh my God. Girl, I remember floppy disks. All right, next. Yes. I watched her video when she, like everything, the process that it took to design this. Guys, you're not just getting like a thing, like whatever. All right, it's made in China, whatever. But the process to design this is so freaking cute. And I want to say, you rule. Yes. You rule. No matter what size you use, you rule. This I'm going to use a lot. I know it. That's why I got it. And for all this stuff, right? 16 fries, 1 potato. Oh my God, this is adorable. Okay, next we will have the little folder, which I will use for sure. Guys, this is very cool. Look at this. 2 different levels, right? This is going to go in my planner. I am not lying. Oh my God. Very resistant. It's not flimsy. It is not flimsy. Of course, because you're busy. You got things to do. And this is so cute. So classy. Everything is so classy. Yes. Envelopes. Yes, we love envelopes. Yes, we love books. Yes. She knows what we're about. We love timing. We love the news. Yes. And lastly, we do the washi tapes. So first we have the World Traveler washi tape. I will not open it and I will not bore you with the details about it because again, she makes the videos about how she designed it, and I am just really, really excited to use it and to be inspired really by it. I know it's silly, but sometimes we need a little reminder. There's a big world out there, and we still have to see some of it. Please go see the world. And this little one, oh, she Oh, the stamps. I got the stamps, the stationery stamps with this little guy with the monocle. Oh, okay. That's it. That's everything. That is everything. And this little envelope is so freaking cute. I adore it. I don't know where I'm going to use it for, who I want to send it to, but whoever of my friends gets this envelope, you're special.